Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Creating a painting of water and fish can be a fun and rewarding project. Lightly sketch the layout of your painting with a pencil, or you can say brush. Start by paint the basic shapes of the fish in areas where the water will be. Painting the water, start with a base coat of water. For a vibrant underwater scene, use shades of blue, green, and turquoise. Apply a gradient effect to give a flash of a scene of a movement. Add curves to the body and fins, showing them flowing with the water. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Add any extra texture to the water or background, such as rocks or plants in the background. Consider adding light streaks or reflections at the water surface to enhance realism. Let the painting